Morning, cyber traders. Welcome Monday. Hopefully everyone had a great weekend and happy Father's Day for everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their Father's Day week. Probably the only day I probably get off other than my birthday, but hopefully everybody had a good time. Going on what's on this weekend, just to let you know really quick. Hopefully everybody's aware. It is another big holiday here, right smack at the worst time of the week, right on Wednesday. So it's going to be a really funny week when it comes to trading this week. There's not a lot of big earnings announcements coming out this week, not a lot on the economic calendar, but there are a lot of good other things on the positive side. Some of the swing trades doing pretty well. There were some really good stocks that we traded last week. So, and once again, company has to come out with news. Things going to make a rally. You know, if we're going to first hear it right here at Cyber Trade University, because we usually do. We'll just work through our little crystal ball there of the top 20 list, because that's what will end up showing up. So remember, we're in the thick of things over here in the summertime. It's going to be, not to be the weatherman, but weather does have a lot to do here in the Northeast, because in the trading, I think what's going to end up happening, a lot of people are going to go away this week because of the holiday week. It's right smack on a Thursday, Friday. It is going to be extremely hot here in the Northeast. So I know a lot of people are going to probably go away over the weekend. So it's not going to be too much, but does not mean, like I said, we're not going to find something. We always find something, but just giving you a little heads up. There's not going to be like we're going to get 10 stocks that are going to be moving, and if you miss one, you're going to miss the other. So just got to be a little bit more alert and be more focused, be more aggressive when we do find those stocks. So let's talk about what happened last week, and then we'll go through it. By the way, this stock is doing really, really well. This is one of the stocks from last week, SCEN. Stock has done really well. You can see it here. Did a stocks reverse split, but from $2 to $3, and then today it's up pretty big. I'll show you a little bit on the iceberg orders on level 4 on what we see on there before we start saying, oh, there's support and resistance, and see where those high frequency trades. But let's go check out and see what's moving, what we traded last week. So a couple of good stocks. For some of you didn't miss out, I want to cover some of them of last week. So we had this stock LVGN, which was a great moving stock, dollar stock, ran to about 350. It moved for about 2 to 3 consistent days. That one did pretty well. Obviously, it's down now. Party looks like it's over. Just to kind of give you a little heads up, those big iceberg orders over here, right above $4. You could see it going back into March and April, and it basically went right there and starting to back off. So that was a nice little cheap and expensive stock that we traded. CAVL was also really nice on Friday. You could see that went from $1 to $8. That was a huge, huge winner for everyone. I don't know. I keep putting it on the list. It keeps showing up. The video is just showing absolutely zero backing down. Just keep in mind, simple math. This did a stock split, 10 for 1. So right now the stock is trading at 1,300. So you could see how that stock's been doing pretty well. And also the was it the NVDL? Is it? Yeah. Remember, that's the ETF version. That one's also doing pretty well too, up to $80. ARM, also another stock that did pretty well too all week. You could see that one ran from about 120 to 160. Another really nice move last week. And obviously the Apple with their whole AI announcement. That was like, listen, I'm not a big fan of trading Apple, but it did really well for us on Monday with that news announcement. And you can see it's kind of flatlined. I just heard that the news out on it now. They're going to try to push off that AI launch probably till next year. They don't want to roll it out too fast. So I don't know, maybe they got a little scrutiny on it, whatever it is, and a little worried about it. But anyway, who cares? We traded it, did pretty well. A couple other stocks also did pretty well down on that watch list. The Eli Lilly is making a gorgeous Fausto flag right here. And listen, it's getting close to that 1,000. That stock's doing really well. There's the ETF version of it, which is also doing pretty well. OZEN. This is just a late print, but that one's doing really well. And the Nuvo, Where's Nuvo? Nuvo's doing pretty well too. Nuvo's doing really well. So all those drug stocks are doing pretty well too. Anyway, let's go. That's what's guarding about some day trades, some swing trades. Let's go hop on. Let's go see what's going on for today in the watch list. So you know that we have the big stock on the watch list right now that's up 77%. Is the stock right here, SCNI. Now, when I went to look at level 4 and I went to go see what was happening over here, got a lot of orders out here between 650, 750. So it's having a really tough time breaking that big resistance levels. No real big buyers out there. So I'm not really super excited about this stock continue to push up. Remember, it's all about those stocks getting executed. If those orders get filled, we'll be on it. But listen, trade 11 million shares pre-market. You know what? It's not that expensive. Spread looks okay. It's going to be on the watch list. TRNR. Here's another one right here that's moving up really nicely. So this one, we got some orders right here around $4.08, $5. It just made a nice little move right here. Actually, just now it made a really nice pop right here after 8.05. A lot of green balls means a lot of good transactions are going off. You can see it right there. That's when it started making a big move. The stock gapped up. Nice little stock, cheap, good spread, great volume. TRNR. I know that one you guys were trading early this morning, and it was really nice around 7:30, but then really came down. That kind of gets me a little nervous when it comes that low. What's this one here? 1 million shares, dollar stock. NUKK. Let's go check out some orders. See what the street is thinking of it. Looks like a nice little level 1 stock here. All right, so you got a lot of orders that are showing up right around here. See them right there, $120, 30,000, another 34,000 at 114. So that's right around here. So it's probably testing that 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Looks like program trading. NUKK. So far, we got 3. This one, volume is too light. This one, okay, spread's way too big. Not tradable. Oh, GEV. We traded this stock before. GOEV. Good spread, great volume. Good, not really doing anything right now. All right, we're broke down to 10%. We're already at number 7. If we don't have 10% or higher, we're not interested. This stock is getting crushed, destroyed. Oh my God. This is so bad. $25 stock down to 2. Oh my God, 90%. I don't think I've ever seen a stock down 90%. I have, but in a long, long time. Can we get a dead cat bounce on it? I don't know. It just started making a big move from $1.80 to $2.50. I mean, that's pretty bad. That is really, really, really bad. You know what? It might not be too bad on a dead cat bounce. We know that pharmaceutical stocks do not come back. Okay. But a lot of orders showing up here from $1, $1.50, $2. So not too many sellers, a lot more buyers. That one, not bad. We might, but listen, don't be those people that get suckered in that had it from the night before. But this thing got destroyed. Right now, it probably looks like a category 3, though. To just give you a heads up. What happened here? That's the news right there on that. Top line results from phase 2 portion evaluated preliminary. Oh, that doesn't sound too good. All right. But anyway, maybe we get a dead cat bounce on that one. Here's another one that's getting crushed too. Another pharmaceutical stock. $3 down to $1. That one doesn't look too good. I like the other one better. Oh, we know why Cavil's on there. That was retraded. New York Stock Exchange looks like a buyout right here. This one looks like a buyout. You can just tell by the trend of the intraday. Okay, now we're down to 6%, so we're done. Boyle coming down after making a nice little run up. We should have known that in a swing trade. That's also been a really good swing trade. We traded the last couple of days too. That one did pretty nicely. 15 up to about 23. Got close to that resistance levels there back in May. So now it's backing off. So that's why you got to know. You got to learn how to get in and out of these positions, traders. Chipotle is going to be coming out with their split soon. I think is the 22nd. But that one is also doing pretty well. That one's doing pretty well. Anything the most active? I think that's pretty much does it. All right. So listen, it's Monday. It's come back from a weekend. You're going into a big another holiday right smack in the middle of the week. Typical, not that many stocks on the watch list. That's perfectly normal. But listen, no better time than go out there and learn. So just be very patient. Don't get too cocky. And if you see something, say something. Anything we're missing, we did not call out, traders? Anything else out there? Seems pretty quiet. Just don't get too crazy out there, right? So I'll put these stocks on the watch list. And if we see something, we'll say something. Listen, usually within the first 15 minutes, we'll find something that will come up out of the blue. But pre-market looks kind of quiet, which is pretty much normal. All right. All right, traders, let's get ready for the market opened up. If you're watching on social media, you have your phone, just scan the little QR code in the top left-hand corner. We'll definitely be here. We'll, like I said, if you want to come join the trading room, more than happy to join us. In the meantime, everyone, good luck, and we'll see you when the market opens up in 15 minutes, all right? Trade safe.